light. Jabongo, I feel have a spliff to light. Hey, I feel have a spliff to light from dawn until daylight. Say why? The way me love the weed, me build me house in the tree now. Me whole family, them agree with me. Them say a long time now. Ganja for free, ganja for you. Ganja for me, ganja in a one and in a two and in a three. Ganja for all the old and the elderly. We are got free ganja for everybody. It's the best, it's both medically. So we have to have a spliff to light. Jabongo have to have a spliff to light. Have to have a spliff to light from dawn until daylight. Say why? The way me love the weed, it set me free in my mind. Now me woman tell me she wants some back with a wine. So bend down me girl, make me kill you with the wick lock me back on my waist and me spine with the ganja control me and her comes here. Hey, I feel have a spliff to light. Say me I feel have a spliff to light. I feel have a spliff to light from
Switzerland again, DJ Russian, so big up
big up DJ Russian. Me know you, you're my friend from long time, Russian.
We are
at the flex, at the flow, Jabongo Fino, them Fino, yes, them Fino. See them a come there, The big 45 Jabongo now go runway. If I have it, I clap it from Sunday to Monday. Jabongo get away in the Ayonde. Run come buck up in the gangster. Never know what say. God, you have it. Pull up.
Jabongo say me forgive my special character about the weed, you know. Alright, me run up on me door, me say who that? Them say open the door at the cops. Make sure say you clean, you no strap. Them say them surround the place with the glass. Me say me just wake up, me alarm on. We are cut me one and say ease off. Informer. Wait, I'm too ready. Bullying up in there, you know, come back.
What's up, ready?
Ready, man.
Hold him now. Hold him man like King Selassie. Ja! Rastafari. Let me tell them, lion paw. Ready him, chap. We love woman, we don't love man. We don't run them thing and cross run. Me Allah, let me see your hand. Let me see the lion paw there. Punchy man and Saddamite. Let me see your hand. Let me see the lion paw there. Stop from do the wrong and do the right. Well, in our corruption, me say no for them a join, you know. True man, I lion me, I go vice out my son, you know. Look for me, Empress, so sexy and run, you know. Look for pull it up, you know.
Them ready now.
Ready
now.
So manager, I'm a manager this from Music UK. Live in Live It Color, Sean by Gray. Pull it up again back from the top, you know.
The whole of Europe, the whole of England, the whole of Africa, we're live.
Holy man, we like King Selassie, Ja! Rastafari, Head Crown God.
Welcome, Jabongo. You don't know it's
Yeah.
really nice to have you in the studio live.
Let me see your hand there. Hey, could the gentle say, me Allah, let me see your hand. Let me see the lion paw there. Punchy man and Saddamite. Let me see your hand. Let me see the lion paw there. So from do the wrong and do the right. Well, in a corruption, me send for them a join, you know. True man and lion, me I go vice out my son, you know. Look for me, Empress, so sexy and round, you know. You look so good like a English pony, you know. If you can't fling fast, boy, no fling a stone, you know. If you can't swim, no go a see you with John, you know. At a fire and no brimstone, you know. You can't come against Rasta righteous throne, you know. Let me see your hand. Let me see the lion paw there. Bunji Gallo and Saddam. Let me see your hand. Let me see the lion paw there. Stop from do the wrong and do the right. Well, in a corruption, me say enough of them a drown. True man, me sound. Enough of them youth you a circus clown. Me say leave Rastafari pitney alone. King Emmanuel him sit down pan the throne me. Now let me see your hand. Let me see the lion paw there. From do the wrong and do the right. Let me see your hand. Let me see the lion paw there.
Stop me one.
Magdan, music, you get everything. Magdan then.
Come DJ now.
All right. Music, all right, live. Music UK. Music UK, live at the house. Music. Music UK live. Yo, you know she just come. You know she just come. That mean the one of the place of go custom. She up a new car Africa from out custom. And me say must one some music UK live at the house. Sean Bygrave, Jabongo.
Blessings. People them say they want more Jabongo.
That's really. No one put on him. I understand. I can't sing from putting on daddy. I can't sing on that rhythm.
All right.
Yo, I'm Magdan.
Magdan.
Represent. Sean Bygrave, I want to them. I'm Magdan. All right now. I know me alone, I know you alone, I know we alone. How we and Jah apart. How we and Jah, oh yeah. All right now. I know me alone, I know you alone, I know we alone. How we and Jah apart. How we and Jah, oh yeah. All right now, as far as my eyes can see, Jah is watching over we. Oh, what hills and the valley and the sea, Jah always protected we. Hey, boy, you come here with your obia. You are sprinkle powder. Somebody pass me cream soda. Show it a bucket of water. I know me alone, I know you alone, I know we alone. How we and Jah up. How we and Jah, oh yeah. All right now. I know me alone, I know you alone, I know we alone. How we and Jah apart. How we and Jah, oh yeah. All right now, in my going out and my coming in, Jah is my everything. He's the kings of kings and the lords with him. He's my everything. Hey. See it and we are war. Me and you be can't power. You can't come in and me can't. Anytime you see me stay forward. I know me alone, I know you alone, I know we alone. How we and Jah apart. How we and Jah, oh yeah. All right now, I know me alone, I know you alone, I know we alone. How we and Jah apart. How we and Jah, oh yeah. I'm Magdan. Well on. Hear this now. Everywhere we go, it's the same cry. I'm only worries. Yes, I'm only worries. Hey. Everywhere we go, it's the same old cry. I'm only worries. Yes, I'm only worries. All right now, don't steal for the money, don't kill for the money, go and work for the money, and then you will get it. I just throw money, make them kill all money. I just throw money, some girls are more funny. Money make friends, and money break friends. I just throw money, me no deal with them. The money and the root of all evil. I just throw money, can't tell no like Steve. Again, everywhere we is the same old cry. I'm money worries. Yes, I'm money worries. Jabongo, hey. I'm Magdan again. I'm Magdan again. Hey. Big up Sean Bygrave, music UK. And big up Skyliner. Don't forget, I don't want to interrupt. Skyline TV. And don't forget, live. You understand? Music UK, live CM. You don't forget that. You understand? Sean Bygrave. I want to them. Hear this. Me think them boy, they was my friend. Me get fi find out about they. All right now, a friend enemy team, my friend enemy team, Sean Bygrave. We think them boy, they was my friend. We get fi find out about they. I faster them.
Skyliner so nice.
Yes, Magdan. Give thanks. Welcome to Skyline TV. Over your mother place. All of Europe, the whole of Africa, the whole of London, England, live.
Live.
So what you have to say to these people, Sean Bygrave and the team,
Yeah,
Jabongo.
Well,
Magdan.
you don't know it going on. You don't know well. Jabongo. Are you the UK that want to talk to?
Right. So what you have to say? Any
Body afloat.
good message you want to leave with the world?
Well, we are some more music.
Yes.
Reggae music is a message. And we are Jah messenger, bringing the message of Jah to his people for cleanness of living, you know, because if we don't have a teacher, how can the kids them and the children learn? You don't have to be a baby to be a child. The whole of us have childish ways in our heads and in our minds, even with our friends and our foes, and even with our loved ones. You understand? So each one teach one, even a child shall teach them.
So,
You know, this is what we learn from our elders
right.
and those
So,
that was
Jabongo,
before us.
The people they want to know. Any shows in the pipeline when you go back to Europe, Switzerland, you're working on your album and all that.
We leave everything's into the hand of Jah right now, you know, because Jah manifests certain things. And, you know, we're on our spiritual journey right now. So anything we Jah tell we to do, that we are the right now, Jah tell we so we start change up our diet and eat everything that is green. So we are blend up everything green, cucumber, lettuce, you know, everything we're green and just drink it. Because we are purge ourselves now. At the purging time now, because too much wickedness are going on in the country and in our land. So we have to purge ourselves and pray to God. Because if we don't purge ourselves and pray to God, the gunman them now will start bust them gun. Seeing that the people might eat too much food and them spirit too full. Them spirit now suffer. You have to kill the spirit by eating less food and go up and fasting and strengthen the body and pray to Jah to heal the land. Because even the Bible where King James print and give us, teach us, if my children who are called by my name, we just humble themselves and call on my name, Jah, seek my face and pray, then I will hear from the heavens of heavens and heal their land. Which means you're not going to have more dead people than live people. Everybody have a life and happy and I live loving because of that Jah want. Eternal life. When you're dead and forgetting and rotten.
You are the cousin of the legendary Lee Scratch Perry.
Yes, yes.
I always see him and I honor him, you know. And
I love him to bits, man, to my heart, man. Because me and him always hang out on the lake sometime down in Bellevue. He's a man we never have too much time, you know, because he loved his wife so much.
Yes.
Within certain Irish, you know, and you know.
Sometimes when I see him doing the interviews and the interviewers, they're trying to overstand what he must say, but whenever that man speaks, you know,
Iron. He's one of the old high priests, is Rastafari high priest. Man. Because before he even was growing his locks or anything like that, he was meditating deep in Rastafari. He is the one who helped to motivate the legend to certain things, different from Martimus McPlana. You know, because I was one of the youth that moved on 4th Street in Trenchtown. Yeah. You understand? So we give praises for that.
So did you get the chance?
They call it 26 Duncan Avenue and all this in that time.
Bob Marley in person.
Well, probably as a baby, you know, but you know, when Bob Marley passed off, I was about 7 years old and see the funeral was passing 3 miles, being avenue, going about, you know, as a youth, we just hear that the legend pass off. And you know, within that meditation, with that vibration, you know, we know that we have a great love. But you know, but the legend is not dead. He's alive. Because when I look on all his kids, them, I see him, and when I listen to the music that they utter, it's him. So he's still here with us in a different iration. So the music live. All things shall fade away under the sky. Music alone shall live and never to die.
Yes,
Jah
Jabongo, give thanks.
Rastafari.
Give thanks again. Thank you for coming to Skyline TV, you know. I know what of the world, I look. So what the last word you have to say to them?
We say we love you, you're our fans, and
Yes.
it's you cause these things will be happening for us.
Yes.
Give thanks.
All over the world.
All
More
over the
love.
world.
Hold on.
Jabongo.
And don't
Mountain.
forget. Don't forget. Mother's Day come. And I have something for the mother's day. A good mammy, he's a good mammy. She grew, she thrived without daddy. A good mammy, he's a good mammy. She grew, she thrived without daddy. Mama, 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 them call her Triven, she's coming. Yes, she cook clean and she wash with them. Okay, so you know she are them closest friend. She got to work, she do she 9 to 5 just to keep her children alive. You know that she's willing and able. She always put the food on the table. We wear pretty clothes and even watch cable. We don't remember without the name Navel. A good mammy, he's a good mammy. A Magdan, yeah, represent.
Yeah, give thanks, Magdan. More love, right? Okay, so where is Crystal K? Crystal K, what's going on? We still live? So we're like you were representing for Skyline TV. Yeah, man. So the passing through it was kind of crazy, but you know, we kind of sort them out, right? Yeah, man. So give thanks again. Yeah. I'm walking like interview all over the place. It was alright still.